Symptoms of controller board problem include 1. Fan turns on and off irregularly. 2. Continuous tit sound. The problem can be solved by replacing the fan controller board. Precaution: always turn off the power at the main switch before attempting to replace the controller board. Let's identify some important parts of the fan. We have fan blades, the silver color remote sensor protection cover, and finally, fan cover that is white in color. 6 steps are required to remove the existing fan controller board. Step 1 is to remove the remote sensor protection cover. This can be done by turning it counterclockwise. You may need to apply a little pressure on the casing to turn it. The remote sensor protection cover has a threaded plastic screw at the center. The screw is attached to the casing of the remote controller board. The actual location will be shown later. Thus, when you turn the protection cover counterclockwise, you are actually unscrewing the cover from the casing of the remote controller board. The hollow center of the plastic screw allows the sensor to receive signals from the remote control. Step 2 is to remove the fan cover. This can be done by removing the 3 screws shown. When the fan cover is removed, the controller board casing will be exposed. Notice the location where the plastic screw of the remote sensor protection cover can be attached. Step 3 is to detach the controller board casing from the main body of the fan. This can be done by removing the 3 screws shown. Note that the screws are hidden in their respective slot. Step 4. Detach the casing from the fan main body to reveal the controller board that is attached to its casing. Step 5 is to detach the wire connectors from the controller board. Notice that there are 2 cable connectors. To detach connector 1, pinch its plastic tab towards the direction shown to release the connector from its base. You need to pull the connector out while pinching the plastic tab. Do the same thing to release and remove connector 2. Step 6 is to remove the controller board from its casing. This can be done by removing the 2 screws shown. We can now install the new controller board. This is the top and bottom views of the new 3-speed fan controller board. To install the new controller board, reverse the process. Step 1. Screw the new controller board to its casing with 2 screws. Step 2. Reattach the 2 cable connectors. Step 3. Reattach the controller board casing to the fan main body. Step 4. Screw the controller board casing to the fan main body with 3 screws. Step 5. Screw the fan cover to the fan main body with 3 screws. Step 6. Reattach the sensor board protection cover by turning the cover clockwise. Once the new fan controller board has been installed, turn on the power and test the fan operation using the remote control.